Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can save your laptop and not to fry some egg all over your laptop because it's heating up and you guys want to save your laptop as, right? So let's get started. So you can see my speed here is like 3 point something. It's almost like 4 gigahertz, and you don't want to do that if you guys are on idle. Your laptop is going really heat up. So to solve this issue, we have a solution for you. So let me show you the power plan here first. So this is your power plan. We have you can click on this change power plan or power setting, and then scroll down until you find processor power management. Now you can see we only have minimum and maximum processor state, and which in my case the maximum power state is using 100%. So yeah guys, so you guys wanted to make this as 99%, and you can see this task manager right now. Check it out guys. So it's going to decrease your speed, okay, if you guys use like 99%. And if somehow or so let me revert this. Okay, so let me revert this to 100%. Now if you guys are using like Intel Turbo Boost, you should be stop using it because it is the culprit. It's making your temperature rise again, and it's just give you instant temperature once you turn that on, and it also give you the performance. Yeah, why not? Because it is turbo boost. So you guys don't want to use turbo boost, so just you guys will need to copy this, and you need to go to regedit this time and open this regedit. So once you guys have opened up the regedit, you need to paste here this path, okay, and hit an enter. So you will find attributes over here. Okay, so double click and then set this value to 0 instead of 1 and click on OK. And now you can close the regedit, and you need to reopen this power option, and you can see there will be like performance boost mode for you. And now let me reopen the power option. And now scroll down until you see power management once again, and this time you will see processor performance boost mode, and you can see that we have aggressive, and you guys just want to disable this. All right, I'll also see that if you disable this, it will downclock until to your base speed. Okay, this is my base speed, so that's it. And this is how you guys should be decreasing your temperature. Also, you can put this on 99 or 94%, okay, and it will make some difference. You will see drop on your temperature, literally drop on your temperature. You can see it's going down. Yeah, you can put this to 94 as well, or even like a 50%. It will just go down. All right, since this is decreasing your temperature, you are literally saving your laptop ass. Alright, so this should solve or resolve the issue if you guys are having the heating issue in your laptop. And that's it guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.